and society. The Kenya Defence Forces, the police force, and I look forward to working with you, leadership, at the...
I, Robert Kariuki Kibochi, Chief of the Kenya Defence Forces, do swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, preserve, protect, and defend this Constitution.
I am personally confident that you will indeed steer our defense forces with steady hands. You have taken over from General Samson Mwadede, who has served this nation selflessly, with loyalty and complete dedication. And I expect no less from the incoming team, and neither do the citizens of this republic.